My favorite biomimicry application is one that is applied to the agriculture. Its name is founded like learning from priors how to grow food in resilient ways. The priors have a naturally biological interaction where all the species that live there have a role. For example, more than one species fertilizes the soil and more than one species controls some of the predators. Also, this idea reflects the rule of nature that is the food chain where the nature is responsible to control the environment, creating a balance in the number of each species. The variety of species that could have the same role in the habitat helps in case of disasters, where some species dies because don't resist the fire caused by humans, the big amount of water when we are in the phenomenon of the Niña, the large period of drought with the phenomenon of the Niño, or some invasion of new pests that finish or change the ecosystem. Then other species can replace the dead species and recreate the environment that was there. This makes a sustainable habitat that can subsist to different adversities. By the way, this is applied in the agriculture to make sustainable productions, where they combine different species of plants and animals to produce different things and to have a resilient ecosystem. Like we can see in some ideas of production in the agriculture, like the permaculture. In this case, we investigate all the functions that have each species in the area that we are working and see the interactions that have these species to make a sustainable production, thinking in the environment. For example, we can have in some place trees, pigs, hens, cows, and some crops. Then we analyze that the trees can bring me some shadow and can help to reduce the high temperatures and brings the water from the soil to the earth and helps to increase the rains. The pigs could help to plow the soil to plant the crops and we can use their dregs to fertilize the soil at the same time we are producing meat. The hens can also fertilize the soil and give us meat and eggs. The cows can help to make a better plow and also they give us milk. And by last, the crops give us different grains and some of them could fertilize the soil. This is a good example of interactions where all the species have some role and are important in the ecosystem. Finally, we can see how we can help the environment and produce food at the same time, learning from nature. Thanks.